morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, March 4th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
As your kindness ambassador, I will be announcing our Friendly Falcons. Today's Friendly Falcon is Bailey in Miss Dennison's room, who was nominated by a couple of her classmates. Gemma nominated her because she is a good friend. Arlie nominated her because she plays with Arlie every day at the park. Thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
Woo! This month is Women's History Month. Today we will be honoring Margaret Thatcher. Margaret Thatcher was born on October 13th, 1925 in Lincolnshire, England. She graduated in 1947 with a degree in chemistry from Oxford University, but quickly became interested in politics. Thatcher was voted in as a member of Britain's Parliament in 1959 and began her climb to the top of the political ladder. After serving Prime Minister of Britain in 1979 and quickly gained the nickname the Iron Lady. At one point, she was known as the most powerful woman in the world.
Wow. This week is Read Across America Week. Let's celebrate by reading together. Today's Read a Silly Story Day. Tomorrow is Talent Thursday. Dress like a movie star or someone famous.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be sunny with a high of 69 and a low of 45.
Happy birthday to Jasmine Joseph in pre-K. Happy birthday!
Today in history, in 1845, Florida becomes the 27th U.S. state.
Today is National Anthem Day. Today commemorates the day the Stars and Stripes made the Star-Spangled Banner, its national anthem.
In the headlines, 2,000 cold-stemmed turtles are being released by volunteers back into its home, the Gulf. Many turtles are finally being returned to their original home, the Gulf. A local sea rescue shelter named Sea Turtle Inc. was not able to keep their water to the normal temperatures, so the poor turtles were cold. Luckily, the turtles were able to get warm again and then get returned to the Gulf.
Wow. Today's fun fact is, a mermaid documentary once fooled so many people that the U.S. government had to issue a statement.
Really? Wow. Now for the joke of the day. Hey Matthew, what do you call a pile of cats?
I don't know.
A meowton.
That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Matthew.
And I'm Joseph. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.